Flange spacers can be a permanent solution for tiled-over floors when installed correctly and sealed to prevent leaks. When installing a flange spacer for a toilet on a tiled-over floor, you must first verify the finished floor height and the flange type and material. Use a flange extender or spacer that is specifically rated for the load and compressive forces expected from a toilet installation and position it so the toilet horn sits squarely above the drainage opening. Fasten the flange spacer through the structural floor beneath the tile, whenever possible using stainless steel screws and appropriate washers, so the load transfers to the subfloor and not just the tile bed. Place a compressible gasket between the flange spacer and the toilet base to create a continuous seal that compensates for minor height and alignment variances. Select a gasket material rated for sewer gases and water exposure. Bed the surrounding tile with a medium bed thinset that allows slight movement without cracking, and use a flexible, mildew-resistant caulk around the toilet base after torquing the bolts to manufacturer specifications. Perform a water test by filling the bowl and checking the flange area from below and around the base to confirm no seepage before final grouting and caulking. Common mistakes include relying on a spacer that is only adhered to tile or thinset, which will shift and leak over time, so fasten through the structural floor to keep the flange stable. Another error is over-torquing bolts, which can crack tile or the spacer. Hand torque plus a small wrench turned to specified inch-pounds prevents damage and preserves the gasket seal. A third issue is using rigid grout or sealants at the interface instead of a flexible caulk, which leads to hairline leaks with normal movement. Use a compressible gasket and a flexible, water-resistant caulk for a lasting, watertight finish. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples, so we help you evaluate options for tiled-over toilet installations. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations to help contractors find work and homeowners find the right help.